All right, guys, welcome to the Owls Discord. I'm just going to do a quick run through of how we run. So we're going to go by channel and then go right through it. Disclaimer is very self-explanatory. You guys can read this. This is for the safety for you guys and us. If you want to manage your subscription, if you want to cancel, if you want to upgrade, if you want to post your referral link, to send to your friends or family, the link is right here. You do get 25% off each month that person stays. So basically it could pay off your membership and we can end up paying you. So that's pretty cool. Rules, again, are pretty self-explanatory as well. You guys can read through this. I don't think I need to read through this. Announcements, anything that's important, doesn't want to get lost in the chat. Again, this is, kind of some obvious stuff. So, if I think that, if the market's closed next Wednesday, so, remind people that it is closed next Wednesday. So we'll put in the announcements channel. Trading goals. This is a channel where, please post your trading goals. We want to help you achieve those, right? So if you have any specific goals that you have, post it. This is for you guys. We're here to help. If you do like what we do, and if you want to upgrade your plan and save money, you can go to the upgrade to save channel and go on the WAP, and you can upgrade to yearly, 6-month, or lifetime for a discount. Join now. This is for anyone who's not part of the paid Discord. You can just click this link and you'll get started very quickly. Free trading room is just where the free members or whoever wants to talk about stocks, options, crypto, whatever. This is just a discussion kind of channel, or if you have any questions on how we run, so on and so forth, you can please post it in this channel. And sometimes we do open up our Discord to everyone for the Notable Flow channel. So, don't be afraid to join the free section because we sometimes do open that channel. Profits channel is pretty self-explanatory. If you want to, show off your gains from the alerts or, whatever the case may be, post them, right? You don't have to if you don't want to. It's just here for, for everyone. Hustlers channel. This is something that if you guys have a side business or I was selling anything, post it. We're all here to help each other, support each other. So don't be afraid to post what you're doing on the side, right? Maybe someone is looking for something that you have. So it's pretty self-explanatory. Prof and Keon. This is Professor and I's channel for the alerts. Probably we'll begin as this is probably the most important section of the Discord. This is how the alerts look. So my alerts look like this. HPE is the ticker. This is the strike, the expiration, the premium, and an explanation. So this is a flow trade and I have no stop loss. So this is how it looks. We'll never leave you in the dark. We'll always have a sell alert and we'll always keep you posted. So we sold some at 0.3, 35%, so on and so forth, 57%. We'll have a performance report of the week, for the trades that we took this week. If we go to Prof's alerts, his is very clean. So he'll have the ticker, the strike, the price, the expiration, and an explanation of why he's taking the trade. And again, he'll always have a sell alert. So if we're not selling, there's no sell alert. But that doesn't mean you guys shouldn't sell, right? So let's say a contract is down 20% and we don't have a sell alert, doesn't mean you should hold it, right? You got to do what's best for your account. Eva is one of our traders. She likes to trade SPX and big cap stocks. Her alerts are very easy to read. BTO, she's buying Avgo, ticker, strike, expiration, premium, and an explanation on why she is trading this stock. She'll have her updates. She'll have her closed contracts, her sell alerts, her open positions, explanation on charts, explanations on SPX, so on and so forth. So very easy to read. Kes, one of our best 0 DTE SPY and QQQ traders for small accounts, especially because he really focuses on the contracts that everyone can play. Low risk, high reward, right? So he doesn't have a stop loss on these. He just puts in an amount that he's willing to risk, and that's it. He'll have his alert very clean. He'll have his charts. He'll have explanations, and then he'll have his sell alerts. So very, very easy to read. NP, if you're not comfortable with options yet, NP's your guy, because he alerts stocks, what stocks to buy, a common stock. So, he'll alert, I'm buying shop shares, I'm buying XLE shares, etc., right? And you'll have explanations, he'll have charts, and he'll also do Saturday morning watch list. Most of the time, I think he's out of town this weekend, but for the most part, he does Saturday morning watch list for everyone. So that's really nice of him as well. TT, he's our ICT guy. So if you're interested in ICT, this is what he basically trades on. And again, his is very, very easy to read as well. So if you go try to find his alert, SMCI 900 call weekly, 330. He'll have an explanation. He'll have some jokes as well. But he'll always update you on his buys and sells. AB, another one of our traders. Very easy to read his alerts. MBLY starter means this is a starter position. He has room to add. 718 is the expiration. 32 call, 1.7 premium, and then he'll have an explanation of why or where he will add if he wants to add. So great trader there. Benji is our futures guy. He'll have his resistance, his supports, his ES analysis for you guys. That way you're caught up on the futures levels, and he'll post his trades in the chat and in this channel as well. Market data pro throughout the day updates everyone on market tide from unusual whales. So if he sees anything that significantly changes with the net premium, he'll post it, update you guys, and have an explanation on what is going on. So that way you're on the right side of the trade. Trading floor is where we talk about all things stocks, all things options, all trading. Obviously it's the weekend, so we don't have to talk about stocks right now, but during the week, this is all about stocks. Notable flow, this is where me, Prof, and Cole's World post flow every single day. Much more than what I post on Twitter, obviously. But anything I see that's notable, it'll be posted in here. I mean, you can see it's very, very active compared to my Twitter. Admin analysis. This is a channel for the admins to post their analysis that members are only allowed to view and not chat in, because we don't want to lose or get for the analysis to get lost. So, if we have any charts that we want to post and we don't want to make sure it gets lost in the channel, we'll post it in here for you guys. Daily watch list, I'll post a notable flow in here, and also in the next morning, I'll post the open interest updates to see if it carried over or not, because it's very important. If the open interest carried over, that means there's still conviction in the trade the next day. If the open interest didn't carry over, well, you're not probably feeling too well about that trade anymore. Members plays, this is where members can post their trades, their analysis, what they're looking at, what they're buying, what they're selling. Very explanatory, self-explanatory. Futures trading, again, this is all basic. I'm sure you guys can figure out what these channels mean. If you guys are futures traders, you guys can post your trades, your analysis, so on and so forth. Long-term investments. This is something that Prof and I try to help people build out their long-term portfolios. Again, we don't tell you, forcing you to buy or sell. This is telling you we're buying this for ourselves. We're selling this for ourselves. You can follow if you want. You don't have to follow. We just like to, tell you what we're buying, right? Crypto talk. If you guys are in crypto, you can discuss crypto. You can show what you're buying, what you're selling, whatever. Newsletter. We get our newsletter from Traderverse.io. They'll post pre-market movers. They'll post post-market summaries. So we'll get their information from them. We'll also get a morning news call from Rizzy. Shout out Rizzy for that. He'll have what to look out for. All that stuff. Earnings report, shout out Scoops. He'll post the earnings, company events, economic events, very easy to read, up to date. You know exactly when the FOMC meeting is, CPI, so on and so forth. Very organized. Live chat, we are on live chat, voice chat every single day throughout the whole market, talking about potential trades, flow, listen to music, just talk about random stuff, have good discussions. You do not have to be on the voice chat. There will never be an alert that you will miss. So every alert is posted in the channel. We'll never alert something in the voice and not in the channel, in the alert channel. So this is just something extra for you guys. Live class is, I think MP uses this channel for his Saturday morning watch list sessions. And then TT and Alex actually host a class for beginner traders and advanced traders. I think it starts next week. So if you're interested in that, you can contact them. So they'll have their class there. Owls After Dark, this is anything not stock related, I don't know, sports you guys want to talk about. Sydney Sweeney, if you guys are really interested in her, it's just all rambling stuff. Swole Owls, this is the gym. If you guys want to show your gains in the gym, your weightlifting, your goals, all that stuff, this is the channel. Gaming and gambling, sports betting. If you guys are interested in sports betting, post your bets. Our boy Sam, he's been grinding on the sports bets. He's been doing this for a long time with us. So, if you're interested in that, if you want to post your bets, don't be afraid. Pets, if you guys got pets, don't be afraid to post your pets. We all love our dogs and cats. Music, tell us what you're listening to, right? We can all share our music. Options bots, this is just data, we can get net put call premium from the bots, the flow from Unusual Whales thanks to Pro. So that's there for you guys. More bots. And then economic news, we'll have, the Feds, all sorts of news come out, statements, all there for you. Trading support, if you guys are having any trouble with trading, right? If you're having trouble with stop losses, if you're having trouble mentally, whatever the case may be, please don't be afraid to use this channel. We're all here to help. We all have the same goal of making money. When you're in Owls, this is not a competition. This is not, I'm better than him. I want to be better. I want to be the king or queen of the group. No, it's not like that. It's everyone is here to make money, to grow together and have fun. So if you need help, please ask. We're all here to help. So this is a great channel to discuss on, why am I having trouble with this? Why is this happening? Whatever the case may be. Risk management. Our guy Widow has been with us for over 4 years, and he's been helping people get better risk management, right? Because a lot of people these days are getting very greedy. They'll be up, 30% on a contract, and they say, I want more. Next thing you know, the next day they sell for a loss, right? So if you're having trouble, with anything as far as risk management, please post in this channel. We're all here to help. Dub Invest. So this is a company that I am partnered up with, as well as Professor, and this is a copy trading platform. Okay, so this is not for options. This is just for stocks. So if you think of it like this, so right now I have a basket called Unusual. I'm sure you guys heard of it on Twitter, because I've been kind of posting a good amount. So as a creator, I create a basket with a certain strategy. So the strategy of Unusual is that I find unusual options flow, and I will use that as my analysis and look at the charts, and it will determine if I should buy this stock or if I should sell the stock. Okay, whatever I do in this basket, it will automatically do in your app. Okay, so it's not like my TD Ameritrade or whatever broker I use, I buy and sell. You have to go into your broker and you have to buy and sell while I do it. No. So whatever I buy and whatever I sell automatically changes on yours. Unusual costs, let's say $144 a share, just like let's say you're investing in QQQ, right? If Unusual goes up 2%, yours goes up 2%. If it goes down 2%, yours goes down 2%. Okay, so it's basically just like investing Inspire QQQ, but you're following someone else's strategy. You're copying someone else's strategy. Now, there's many strategies you can copy. You can copy Professor's strategy. You can copy Pelosi's strategy. You can copy AI, whatever the case may be. There's many baskets that you can copy. Okay, so if you want to get, if you don't want to do the research and the buying and the selling, and you want someone else to basically do it for you, download the Dub app on an iOS platform. Android is coming out soon, but download the app, sign up, and you'll be able to copy any portfolio. Like it's pretty cool to see. You know, it hit 20%. The unusual taste is joining. I mean, I do the work for you for the stocks, right? So it's a very, very cool platform. Basics. There's a lot of basics on options trading stocks. A lot of good information here that you guys can post that might help. You know, trading rules, black box, you know, flow, what the colors mean, etc., etc., etc. So there's a lot of good information here. Videos, any video that you think is helpful throughout your trading journey, post it, right? We're all here to help each other. So if there's any video that you think is good, post it. And that is actually it for the video. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, please tweet at me, comment in the YouTube video, comment in the free chat of the Discord, wherever. We're all here to help, and we'll answer all your questions. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.